उत्तराखंड के सभी दाजुओं को मेरा नमस्कार। 22 अगस्त 2016 तक की न्यूज़ हमने कवर कर ली थी। इसके आगे हम लोग चलेंगे टॉपिक वाइज, क्योंकि क्या है कि न्यूज़ तो आती बहुत कम है, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा सर्फिंग और इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है। ओके, so it was news on 23rd August that expedite the title rights to the displaced people of Tehri, orders Chief Minister. In this regard, I am preparing the video about Tehri project. After going through this video, it is not prepared yet. You will be then after watching this video, you will be relating the news with the subject that expedite the title rights to the displaced people of Terry order Chief Minister. So what I am preparing is I have given outline over here. What is a dam? Like what is a dam? About Terry Dam, a brief summary, some basic facts, background of the Terry project, resettlement and rehabilitation plan, environmental concern, who built the Tehri Dam, awards to the Tehri project, popular resistance, benefit of the project, disadvantages of the project, how Tehri Dam saved the life of millions. Okay, so you can also read about this and you can compare with what I am stating in the video. So till then, we will cover 20 news for 24 August. We have three news: Uttarakhand literary giant Manohar Sham Joshi Badrikau gets indigenous tag, and third one is Chief Minister seeks Rajnath help to prevent the migration from borders. I am uploading these three news in three different videos as it is not possible for me to sum up in a single video, as it will become very lengthy and it will be difficult for me to upload in a single video. Okay, so we will start with the first news. Manohar Sham Joshi. This guy, his period is mentioned over here and his photo you can see over here. 1933 to 2006. Manohar Sham Joshi was born on August 9, 1933 at Ajmer in Rajasthan to the prominent musicologist and educationist belonging to the Kumaon Brahmin family from the town Almora, Uttarakhand. Okay. ये मनोहर श्याम जोशी जी हिंदी लिटरेचर के वेल नोन ऑथर पैदा हुए 9 अगस्त 1933 को अजमेर में, जो कि राजस्थान में है, और वो बिलोंग करते हैं कुमाऊं ब्राह्मण फैमिली फ्रॉम द टाउन अल्मोड़ा. ओके, मनोहर श्याम जोशी, वेल नोन ऑथर ऑफ हिंदी लिटरेचर, इज ऑफन कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ इंडियन सोप ओपेराज. उन्होंने बहुत सारे साहित्य, फिल्म, नोवेल लिखे हैं. उनमें से कुछ प्रख्यात हम लोग यहाँ मेंशन करेंगे. लाइक हम लोग एंड बुनियाद. हम लोग इज ऑल अबाउट द मिडिल क्लास फैमिली एंड पीपल, जो जन समूह है उसको अपने आप से रिलेट करके देखता है, तो इसलिए बहुत फेमस हुआ. बुनियाद एक सीरियल है जिसमें लाइफ ऑफ फैमिली दिखाई है एट द टाइम ऑफ पार्टीशन ऑफ इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान इन 1947. So what the second point says, well-known author of Hindi literature, Mr. Manohar Sham Joshi is often called the father of Indian soap operas. His ever popular creations Hum Log and Bunyad influenced the entire generation of Indians. When first soap opera Hum Log started in 1982, television was still a luxury item for majority of Indians. लोग दूसरों के घरों में टीवी देखने जाते थे क्योंकि टीवी बहुत मुश्किल से आता था. तब लोगों की तनख्वाह कम थी. आजकल तो बहुत 52-72 इंच सबके घरों में टीवी लगे. तब एक ओनिडा की टीवी आती थी शटर वाली. ओके, दिस सीरियल डेल्ट विद द एवरीडे लाइफ्स ऑफ द पीपल, सो एनग्रॉस द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इंडियंस दैट एवरी इंडियन कुड आइडेंटिफाई विद इट. मतलब ये सब लोगों के सामान्य जीवन से जुड़ा हुआ था, लोग अपने आप को इससे जुड़ा हुआ महसूस करते थे. Another popular creation was Bunyad between 1987 to 1988, directed by Ramesh Sippy, a serial based around the life of a family displaced by the partition of India, as I said. Career. He started his career of writing dialogues for shows in 1982 with a series such as Hum Log. It is repeated that were targeted at the middle class Indians who could easily identify with the situation presented in the show. Okay, after tasting success, Joshi created, in fact we should say Joshju हमारे टरे, Joshju created famous Bunyad between 1987 and 1988, which was directed by the veteran director Ramesh Sippy. Again, this turned out to be a huge popular show, and mostly because it dealt with the partition of India and condition prevalent in 1947. Following this, he scripted a few more shows such as Hamrahi and Zameen Asman. Next, अब उनको इसमें सफलता मिली तो उन्होंने सोचा भैया हम तो नोवेल भी लिखेंगे. So he turned to conceptualizing and penning down novels. उन्होंने बहुत आयरनी जिसको बोलते हैं सत्यता और पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज, लव इश्यूज को दर्शाया उनमें. ही टॉपिक्स रेंज फ्रॉम लव टू पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ शार्प एंड फनी सटायर्स. Satires means irony and sarcasm. Kasab, written during the period, was considered as one of the greatest love story of all the time. Satires like Netaji Kahin were inscribed on paper to garner the attention of the people and the problems in the politics. Later it was also converted into a serial. We will discuss it later on. Okay. Manohar Joshi was also instrumental with his works in the cult novels like Kuru Kuru Swaha. Cult novel भी लिखे उन्होंने. Films were Joshi's forte, and he loved exploring various genres such as comedy, romance, and satires. Okay, not many people know about him, but he was also a dubbing expert. His dubbings include mainstream movies like Hey Ram, Appu Raja, Papa Kehte Hain, Bhrashtachar. The last part of the Joshi's career orbited around journalism, where he did exceptionally well. Being a part of the All India Radio and Films division in Mumbai had given him immense exposure to broadcast and print media. उन्होंने बहुत डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज के लिए स्क्रिप्ट लिखे. ही इंटरव्यूड द मासेस एंड एडिट द आउटकम इनटू अ सारिका मैगजीन. बहुत लोगों का इंटरव्यू लिखा, एक सारिका मैगजीन पब्लिश करी. A Hindi news magazine, Dinaman, was also released by the Times Group with Giorgio as the assistant director. Several projects came to him after this. जब ये दीनामन बहुत फेमस हो गई तो उनके पास बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट आ गए. ओके. He played another editing role in Saptahik Hindustan, English Weekend Review, and even prestigious Morning Echo, which was bought out by the Hindustan Times. He wrote for Outlook India's column Outlook Saptahik. So this was the career of Mr. Joju, and he died in 2006. And now we will conclude his contributions. Literary contributions are Kasab was Joju's biggest literary publication and made for one of the greatest love stories of all the time. A political drama called Netaji Kahin was so popular with the authors that it was converted into a TV series called Kakaji Kahin. हम लोग और जो बुनियाद सीरियल है वो यूट्यूब में भी देख सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा सीरियल है. He had also written stories like प्रभु तुम कैसे, किसागो and मंदिर घाट की पौरानियां. As a part of his success, his story हरिया हरकुलिस की हैरानी was translated into the perplexity of हरिया हरकुलिस by Robert. ये थोड़ा सा टिपिकल सा नेम है, आप देखना. Kuru Kuru Swaha turned out to be a famous cult novel. Joshi also noted his memoirs from his college days into the book called Lucknow Mera Lucknow. During the last years of his death, before his death, he wrote two literary contributions like Vadisthal about the killings in Cambodia and Kapis Ji on the evolution of a self-made godman. Okay. In respect of television, he scripted two serials, Hum Log and Bunyad. We have already discussed. Other serials he contributed is Kakaji Kahin, Mungeri Lal के सीन्स. अपने पुराने लोगों ने सीरियल जरूर देखा होगा, हम मुंगेरी लाल के सीन्स अपने. ओके. हमराही जमीन आसमान का था. Films. Once Joshi stepped into the world of movies, there was no turning back for him. He started a screenplay in Bhrashtachar in the late 90s and then moved on to script writing. Hey Ram, Papa Kehte Hain, and Appu Raja serve as examples for the kind work of Shyam Joshi ji produced. Okay. Now, in respect of the awards, he is no stranger to awards. He was honored with the MP Sahitya Samman Award, Sharad Joshi Samman Award, Shikhar Award, Delhi Hindi Academy Award, Onida and Uptron Award. Uptron की टीवी आती थी, आपने नोटिस किया होगा पहले. Uptron Award for TV Writing, Sahitya Academy Award for Kayap in 2005, जो हम उन्होंने उत्तराखंड के ट्रेडिशन के बारे में लिखा है. So with this, I will end over here, and I have written this in Hindi also, because English is written in Hindi in this text. in the slides, so you can better pronounce it in Hindi. कुरुकुर स्वाहा, कसब, हरियाल, हरिया, हरकुलिस की हैरानी, हम जा, टाटा, प्रोफेसर, कयाब, कौन हूँ मैं, कपीस जी, क्वर, स्थल, उत्तराधिकारी, हम लोग, बुनियाद, कक्का जी की कहिन, मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने, हमराही, जमीन आसमान, गाथा, ये राम पापा कहते हैं, पुराजा, भ्रष्टाचार. ठीक है. विद दिस, thank you, and do not forget to watch the other two news, Badri cow gets indigenous tag. Okay, second one is the bordering issue. So with this, I thank you so much, and do not forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, and do comment in the comment box if you like if you like anything, and if you want the news to be updated regularly, because it will give me strength to prepare these videos. Okay, thank you so much.